Welcome to Session 5, Differentiated Instruction and Universal Design for Learning. Differentiated Instruction and Universal Design for Learning, the principles of differentiated instruction and universal design for learning, meeting the diverse learning needs of students. Techniques for adapting curriculum, materials, and instructional methods to support students with special needs. Exploring assistive technologies and tools that can enhance accessibility and learning outcomes. Positive behavior support, strategies for fostering positive behavior and social emotional development in students with special needs, techniques for managing challenging behaviors and promoting a supportive classroom environment. The role of collaboration with families and other professionals in addressing behavioral challenges. Inclusive education is founded on the principle of meeting the diverse needs of all learners. Two key approaches that facilitate this inclusivity are differentiated instruction and universal design for learning. Differentiated instruction is an approach that acknowledges and responds to the varied learning needs, interests, and readiness levels of students. Involve adjusting content, process, and product to accommodate diverse learners within the same classroom. Teachers differentiate by modifying instruction, providing various resources, and offering alternative assessment to meet individual needs. The key principles of differentiated instruction are flexibility in order to adapt instructional strategies, personalization, tailoring and matching students' readiness levels, interests, and learning profiles, collaboration among students, allowing them to learn from and support one another. Tiered assignment, offering tasks of varying complexity to address students' readiness levels, flexible grouping, learning contracts, allowing students to choose from a menu of activities that align with their interests and learning styles, scaffolded instruction, providing support and guidance to help students build on their existing knowledge and skills. The universal design for learning is a framework that designs instruction to address the variability of all learners from the outset. It aims to remove barriers for learning by providing multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression. The key principles are the following. Representation, presenting information in multiple formats to accommodate diverse learning styles and preferences. The engagement, providing opportunities for students' motivation and participation. Expression, allowing students to demonstrate their understanding and knowledge in different ways. Multiple means of representation, offering content in various formats like text, audio, video, and visuals. Multiple means of engagement, incorporating interactive and hands-on activities. Multiple means of expression, providing options for students to demonstrate their understanding through writing, speaking, creating, or using assistive technology. The differentiated instruction and universal design for learning are powerful approaches that support the diverse needs of learners in inclusive classroom, ultimately promoting academic success and equity in education. Techniques for adapting curriculum, materials, and instructional methods to support students with special needs. There are various techniques and strategies that educators can employ to effectively support students with special needs in the classroom. First of all, understanding individual needs. Begin by conducting a true assessment of each student's strengths, challenges, learning styles, and preferences. Collaborate with parents, caregivers, and specialists to gather information about the student's individual needs and accommodation. Adapting curriculum. To modify curriculum content to align with the student's abilities and interests while maintaining essential learning objectives. Break down complex concepts into smaller, more manageable units to facilitate understanding. Provide additional supports such as visual aids, simplified language, or hands-on activities. Adapting materials. Select or create instructional materials that are accessible and engaging for students with special needs. Use a variety of formats. Provide manipulatives, assistive technology, and other tools. Modifying instructional methods, employ a multisensory approach to instruction, incorporating auditory, visual, kinesthetic, and tactile elements. Use differentiated instruction strategies, such as tiered assignment, flexible grouping, and learning contracts. Provide frequent opportunities for review, repetition, reinforcement to support retention and mastery of concepts. Providing ongoing support and monitoring, offering individualized support and scaffolding to help students access the curriculum and participate meaningfully in classroom activities, to monitor students' progress regularly, collaborate with colleagues, specialists, and support staff to ensure a coordinated and holistic approach to support students with special needs. We implement a universal design for learning principle, applying the principle to design a structure that is flexible, inclusive, and accessible to all students, providing multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression to accommodate diverse learners. Offer options for students to demonstrate their understanding through various modalities and formats. So, adapting curriculum, materials, instructional method is essential for creating inclusive learning environments where all students can thrive. By understanding individual needs and employing flexible instructional methods and providing ongoing support and monitoring, educators can effectively support students with special needs and promote their academic and personal growth. Now we explore assistive technologies and tools that can enhance accessibility and learning outcomes. Assistive technologies indeed play a crucial role in promoting accessibility. Assistive technologies are overall devices, software, equipment designed to support individuals with disabilities in performing tasks, participating in activities, and accessing information, and can address a wide range of needs, including mobility, communication, sensory impairment, and learning disabilities. Some of them are communicative aids, augmentative and alternative communication devices. These tools assist individuals with speech or language impairments in communicating effectively, such as speech-generating devices or communication boards. The text-to-speech software converts written text into spoken words, supporting individuals with reading difficulties or visual impairments. Learning support tools are, for example, the screen readers, a software that reads aloud text as displayed on a computer screen, enabling individuals with visual impairment to access digital content. The word prediction software that assists individuals with writing difficulties by suggesting words or phrases as they type. Graphic organizers and mind mapping tools help students organize ideas visually, facilitating comprehension, planning, and problem-solving skills. Accessibility features integrated into computer, tablets, smartphones are several, and they are very useful. Built-in accessibility options in operating system software application, allowing users to customize settings based on their specific needs and preferences. Assistive listening devices, hearing aids and cochlear implants, FM systems and loop systems that assist individuals with hearing loss in amplifying sound in specific environments, such as classroom or lecture halls. Individualized assessment is really important. Conduct assessment to determine the most appropriate assistive technologies based on each student's needs. Training and support, accessibility and compatibility ensure that assistive technologies are accessible, compatible, and with existing systems and devices. Benefits of assistive technologies are several: promote independence and autonomy, enhance accessibility, improve learning outcomes. So, assistive technology offer valuable support and resources for individuals with disabilities, enhancing accessibility and promoting positive learning outcomes. CAST is an organization which busts the barriers to learning that millions of people experience every day. So, CAST leads, inspires, and convinces a global community to design equitable, inclusive learning experiences through a universal design for learning framework. Cast Ambitions Award, where all learning experiences in school, the workplace, and life are designed to elevate strengths and eliminate barriers. It is a non-profit education research and development organization that created the Universal Design for Learning Framework and the UDL guidelines. It includes over 50 talented employees, including world-class educators, learning scientists, instructional designers, literacy experts, policy analysts, UX and graphic designer. Which strategies for fostering positive behavior and social emotional development in students with special needs? This is a very important point. We will explore various strategies and techniques that educators can utilize to create supportive environments. First of all, it is important to understand the individual needs. By gaining a deep understanding of each student's uniqueness, collaborate with parents, caregivers, and specialists to gather insight and develop a holistic understanding of the students. Establishing clear expectation and routines, so set clear, consistent, and age-appropriate expectations for behavior in the classroom and other learning environments. Establish predictable routines and transitions to provide structure and stability. Implementing positive behavior support, using positive reinforcement strategies such as praise, rewards, incentives to encourage and reinforce desired behaviors. Develop individualized behavior plans that focus on teaching and reinforcing positive behaviors while addressing challenging behaviors. Provide visual support such as behavior charts or social story to help students understand expectations and navigate social situations. Teaching social skills and emotional regulation, incorporating explicit instruction in social skills such as communication, cooperation, empathy, problem solving in the curriculum. Use role-playing, modeling, social scripts to teach and practice social interaction, and teach strategies for emotional regulation such as deep breathing, mindfulness, self-calming techniques to help students manage their emotions and behaviors effectively. Social Story is a social learning tool that supports the safe and meaningful exchange of information between parents, professionals, and people with autism of all age. The people who develop social story are referred to as authors, as they work on behalf of a child, adolescent, or adult with autism, the audience. Authors follow a defined process that begins with gathering information, discovering a topic that fits the audience, and the development of personalized text and illustration. The social story definition and 10 defining characteristics are really important. It is that the quality that distinguishes genuine social story from social scripts, skill checklists, or social stories that do not meet the definition. Look the video in the following page to understand better what is a social story. Creating a supportive learning environment, foster a safe, nurturing, and inclusive classroom environment where students are valued, respected, and supported. Encourage peer relationships and collaboration by providing opportunities for cooperative learning. Address bullying and teasing behavior promptly and sensitively, promoting empathy, understanding, and respect for differences. Collaboration communication, because collaborate with special education professionals, counselors, therapists, and support staff, it is important to develop and implement individualized support plans and maintain open lines of communication with parents, caregivers, other stakeholders to share information, exchange insights, coordinate strategies for supporting the students' behavior and social emotional development. Fostering positive behavior and supporting social emotional development in students with special needs requires a multifaceted approach that emphasizes understanding, consistency, positive reinforcement, social skills, instruction, collaboration. In this way, we can build positive relationships, achieve academic and personal success for students with special needs. There are some techniques for managing challenging behaviors and promoting a supportive classroom environment. First of all, understanding challenging behaviors, because they can manifest in various forms, including aggression, non-compliance, and withdrawal. It is essential to understand the underlying reasons for these behaviors, which may include communication difficulties, sensory sensitivity, emotional regulation issues, or unmet needs. Proactive classroom management strategies, establishing clear and consistent expectations for behavior, communication through classroom rooms and routines, provide visual supports such as visual schedules, behavior charts, and cue cards to reinforce expectations and facilitate understanding, implement preventive strategies such as structured routines, transition warnings, and sensory breaks. Positive reinforcement and behavior support reinforce positive behaviors to praise, encouragement, rewards, to motivate students and increase their likelihood of desired behaviors. Use a token economy system or behavior chart to track progress and provide tangible rewards for meeting behavior goals. Develop individualized behavior support plans that focus on teaching replacement behaviors, addressing triggers, and providing support and accommodations. The escalation techniques are, for example, this one: stay calm and composed when responding to challenging behaviors, modeling self-regulation and emotional control for students. Use non-verbal cues such as proximity, eye contact, and body language to communicate expectations and establish boundaries. Employ de-escalation strategies such as offering choices, providing sensory supports, and offering calming activities to help students regulate their emotions and behaviors. Collaborative problem solving involves students in problem solving discussions to identify triggers, understand the consequences, and brainstorm alternative solutions. Collaborate with the parents, caregivers, support staff to gather insight, share observations, and develop coordinated strategies for managing challenging behaviors. Seek for example, professional guidance and support from special educational professional, counselor, or behavioral specialist. Cultivating a supportive classroom climate, fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and inclusivity by promoting kindness, understanding, and acceptance. Encourage peer relationships and collaboration through cooperative learning activities, group projects, team building exercises. Provide opportunities for students to share their thoughts, feelings, and experiences openly, fostering a sense of belonging and connectedness within the classroom community. So, managing challenging behaviors requires a multifaceted approach. It can be proactive strategies, positive reinforcement, de-escalation techniques, collaborative problem solving, and a supportive classroom climate. The role of collaboration with families and other professionals in addressing behavioral challenges is really important. Collaboration with families is integral to effectively addressing behavioral challenges in educational settings. Collaboration with families and professionals enhances the understanding of students' strengths, needs, and preferences, leading to more comprehensive support. It promotes consistency and alignment between home and school environments, facilitating continuity of care and intervention. Collaboration fosters a sense of shared responsibility and investment in the success and well-being of the student, promoting trust and mutual respect among stakeholders. The strategies are the following: establishing open communication channels, maintaining regular and open communication with family through various channels such as emails, phone calls, newsletter, parent-teacher conferences. Provide opportunities for family to share their perspective, concerns, and insights about their child behaviors and needs. Inviting family participation in the development or the implementation of behavioral support plans, inviting their input and feedback, and inviting families to attend workshops, training sessions, or support groups focused on understanding and addressing behavioral challenges. Building partnership with professionals, so to collaborate with psychologists, counselors, social workers, and special education professionals to conduct assessment, develop interventions, and provide support for students with behavioral challenges. Foster a culture of teamwork and interdisciplinary collaboration. valuing the expertise and contribution of all professionals involved in supporting the students. An holistic understanding of the students between the benefits of collaboration, because collaboration helps a holistic understanding of the students, integrating insights from multiple perspectives, including family, educators, and professionals. It allows for a comprehensive assessment of the students' strengths, needs, and environment factors influencing their behavior. Coordinated and consistent support. Collaboration promotes coordination and consistency in support strategies across home, school, and community settings, reducing confusion and enhancing the effectiveness of intervention. It ensures that students receive a seamless continuum of care and support, with interventions and strategies reinforced across different contexts. Empowerment and advocacy. Collaborations empowers families to advocate for their children's needs and rights within the educational system, fostering a sense of agency and partnership in decision-making processes. It encourages families to become active participants in their child's education, strengthening their confidence and capacity to support their child's behavior and emotional well-being. Collaboration with families and professionals is essential for addressing behavioral challenges and promoting the well-being of students in educational settings. By fostering open communication, inviting family participation, building partnership with professionals, and recognize the benefits of collaboration, educators can really create a supportive and inclusive framework. Thank you for your attention.